How did I retrieve the prices for the stocks in my S&P 500 app? Hi, I'm Alex the Architect from Backrep, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today we'll be answering Morgan's question. Morgan asked, how did you retrieve the prices of stocks in the S&P 500 video? Hi Morgan, thank you so much for your question. And well, I populated this whole list by using this NPM module called Yahoo-Finance 2. In here you'll find all the examples needed in order for it to work, so you can pass in the tickers and it will retrieve all kinds of information about every single one of those. I got the S&P 500 tickers from another NPM module called S&P 500, and I got everything working from Backrep by publishing those modules to my Cloud Code section. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.